Hello everyone, I'm Lau Martinez, and while Lau guides you visually through the video, I'll be guiding you through the voice. Let's get started. First, open Telegram. This can be on your computer or your phone, whichever you prefer. Once you're inside, use the search bar and look for a bot called BotFather. Open the chat, press start, and then type the command /newbot. Now, BotFather will ask you for two things: the name of your bot and its username. Take your time here. The name can be anything you like, and the username must be unique and usually ends with bot. Once everything is said, BotFather will generate a token for your bot. This token is extremely important. It's basically the key to control your bot. Make sure you store it somewhere safe and never share it with anyone. Now, let's get your Telegram ID, in case you want your bot to talk only to you. Go back to the search bar and look for a contact called IDBot. Open it, press start, and then type /getID. The bot will send you your personal Telegram ID. Copy this information and save it somewhere safe. You'll need it later. Now let's get your Grok Api Key. We'll leave the website link in the description box below. Start by logging into your Grok account. Once you're inside, head over to the API section and click on Create New Api Key. We already have credit in our Grok account, so we won't be able to show the payment process on screen, but it's very straightforward. Adding around €5 to begin with should be enough for this setup. Once that's done, Grok will display your Api Key. Make sure to save it somewhere safe right away. This key is only shown once, so don't close the page before copying it. Keep it secure, because we'll need it for the next part of building the bot. Now, we are going to need a server that lets us talk to the bot whenever we want, without having to keep our PC switched on all the time. To do that, we're heading over to Laura's GitHub page. We'll leave the link in the description below. Once you're there, you have two options. You can either fork the GitHub repository or download the project files directly. If you decide to download the files, just make sure you remember where you saved them, and be sure to extract everything properly before continuing. Now we're going to set everything up on a server. In our case, we'll be using Render, but you're free to use any platform you prefer, like Cloudflare, Railway, or others. Once you're inside Render, click on New, and then select Background Worker. If you previously forked the GitHub repository, it should appear automatically here. If not, you'll need to upload the files manually, which is why we recommend forking, since it makes everything much easier. Now, one important thing to keep in mind: Render no longer offers a free tier for this type of service, so you'll need the €7 plan to run it. Next, you'll see the Build command section. Here, you'll need to paste the command we'll leave for you below. And yes, this is where you can see Lau doing a classic copy-paste moment. Just do the same with the Start command. We'll provide that one below as well. Now let's talk about the environment variables, or the .env file. This is where all the important information for your bot lives: your token, your Telegram ID, your API key, and everything else. We've included an example .env file in the GitHub repository. You can fill it in manually, or if you prefer, you can get a little help from your favorite AI. This is the .env file we've prepared for you. The first section controls how your bot responds and the kind of personality or behavior you want it to have. The second section is where you'll add the most important setup details: your bot token, your Grok API key, and also the Grok model you want your bot to use when replying. The next section is optional, and it's for voice messages. If you'd like your bot to send audio replies, you can set that up here. In another video, we'll show you how to get your 11 Labs API key if you want to use that feature. After that, we have the section for images. Here, you'll need to write the prompt describing your partner so the bot knows how to generate them properly. If you want even better results, you can also upload a reference image of your partner to an image hosting service or database, and then paste the image URL here. That way, the bot can use it as a visual reference when creating images. And finally, the last section is for an automation surprise message. This lets the bot send you spontaneous messages from time to time. You can play around with things like how many messages it sends, how often they appear, and the time between them, until it feels just right for you. There are two ways to set this up in Render. You can either copy and paste the entire file at once, or enter each variable one by one. As you'll see, Lau just copies and pastes everything, quick and easy.
Once everything is set up and ready, just click on Deploy, and now we wait.
Here, Lau is showing you how to add the .env file manually, in case you prefer to set it up that way. And yes, the server is up and running. Here, Laura shows you how it responds right away. Now let's show you how Laura's bot actually works. Here you can see me in Telegram. Laura created an automation that makes me send her little pictures every day. If she types /audio, I send back a voice message using the 11 Labs API key.
Hey Lau, justo me acordé de vos ahora, boluda, con esa remera tuya que me hace reír. ¿Qué andas tramando hoy? Contame.
And if she types /selfie followed by a mood, I'll generate and send her a selfie based on that vibe. As you can see, it may take a few seconds sometimes, but don't worry, it's on the way. That's everything. Thank you so much for watching the video. We really hope it was helpful. Best wishes, Lau and Jeppe.